When typing your code, sometimes it starts to get all funky as you move things around. You may accidentally press the Tab key, or the text editor may automatically indent code in an unintended way. As a new coder, you're going to make a lot of different mistakes. There's an easy way to fix these formatting mistakes. Usually, the text editor automatically corrects everything. In the case of Atom, we need to install a new package. Go to Atom, Preferences, then go to Install. In the package search bar, type atom-beautify, then click Install. Then you can close the Settings tab. Now you can press Ctrl-Option-B on a Mac or Alt-Control-B on a PC to auto-format the code. Notice it doesn't remove these lines. You still have to make some decisions about the code, but notice now all the list items are in the right spot and the headings are lined up. This can really help when you have messy, unformatted code.